Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another workout. Beautiful sunny day. Full body functional workout for your daily life. So be consistent, take care of yourself, and let's work. First, as always, inhale deeply and we get started. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Grab your left knee. Push up. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch. Right one up. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. Warming up lower back, upper body. RDL, move your head backwards, lengthening through the spine, arms in front of you straight. We're gonna raise our arms straight up 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. As high as possible. 2, go ahead. 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Okay, inhale again. Exhale. Next one, all the body weight goes in the left leg, straight legs. We're gonna fall forward, keeping our body full straight from heel to head. Should be very straight, and back up. This is balance. If you cannot do it by yourself properly, you can do closer to the wall, support yourself. Inhale. 10 times, let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold if you can. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, inhale deeply, move your feet side. Exhale. Here we go. Right leg, body goes on the right side. Here we go. Same thing with the right leg. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel stable. 6, 7, breathe. 8, 9, 10, and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back up. Okay, release. Not bad. Inhale again. Exhale. Okay, knees on the ground. Let's warm up our wrists. Just bend your arms, bend your palms inside. Stretch your wrists a little bit, let's flex them. Okay, arms on the ground. First, what we're gonna do, rotate your pelvis. We're gonna do from here, raise first, knees off the ground. Then, down facing dog, lengthening for the spine, shoulders. Then we bend again our knees, half plank position, and then we push down and we push up. So this free exercise will be one set, like one. We need to do 10 repetitions. Okay, rotate your pelvis, get ready. Inhale. 10 times. Raise your knees off the ground, get ready. Down facing dog. Bending your knees and push down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down facing dog and breathe. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground, release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Okay. Arms in front, plank position, straight legs, left one pointed. We're gonna raise only left leg up and down, up and down. 10 times each side. Inhale first. Let's work. Left. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Right leg and 1 higher. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. Release. Knees on the ground. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Same thing what we just did, only on elbows. Elbows on the ground, straight leg, plank position, working from the left leg up 10 times. 1, 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Right one. 1 high. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, inhale deeply first. Exhale. Adding mobility, plank position from here. Pay attention. I'm going to rotate my hip towards the left side. Right leg touch the ground, pelvis rotated towards the upper side, and just flex up. Hold this shape. 4, 3, 2, 1. You switch. Plank position again. Another side. Left leg goes back. Left arm goes up and flex. Hold here. Feel stable. 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the plank position. Hold plank position. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, continue down facing dog using one arm. Right arm touch your left toe. And we back to plank position. And we switch. Left one to right toe. And we're back. Here we go. 20 times. Inhale. Work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly lie down. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Then arms forward from here. We're gonna raise our upper body, squeeze upper body, and raise our legs from the ground. And then we back down. So try to squeeze your upper body and lower back in the same time. Legs together, legs straight. 12 times. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. 2, 3, squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2, and down. Okay, breathe. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Another one. Exhale. Arms open towards the side. You raise them off the ground. And then from here, raise your both legs off the ground. And we are working only from legs. Closing, opening, closing, opening. 10 times. Inhale. Up your arms, legs, and let's open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay. Elbows closer to the body. Knees will be on the ground. Rotate your pelvis, lock your core and lower back. From here, we're going to push from our shoulders and upper body. Pike up and down. Up and down. Working from your upper body. This is very useful for your posture. Inhale first. Exhale, pike, and let's push up. Go. 2, 3, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Up slowly. Okay, sit down. Breathe. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay. Right leg in front, left leg straight. Hold this position. From here, arms go in front of you straight. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive your arms up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground. We switch. Right leg go back. Left leg go in front. Lizard straight. Right leg try to be straight. Arms in front of you straight. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Plank position. From here, hold plank position. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. Release. Awesome. Not bad. Inhale first. Exhale. Okay. Let's add some hip mobility and core. First, lie down on the back. Grab your knees closer to your chest. Hold them a couple of seconds. You can keep them together if you want. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then keep holding your knees. Open your knees towards the side and keep pushing your hips, your legs down. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here, open your legs straight as wide as you can. You can do, if you can do only this way, it's okay for me. Just open and keep your legs straight. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you bend your legs, toes together. And from here, we're gonna keep our lower back flat. We're gonna raise our butt up, raise our knees closer to your chest and down. Higher, lower, higher, lower. lower part of our ab. Inhale. Let's work. 12. And down. Lower back flat. Breathe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Heels together. Keep pushing your knees out. Rotate your pelvis, raise your butt off the ground, and hold this bridge. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs together. Release. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. Okay, straight legs in front. From here, we're gonna push our butt and lower back up as high as possible. As you can see, my butt is not touching the ground, so high. Raise your head off the ground and hold for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Now we are doing same thing, but we are raising right leg off the ground. If you can do, if you're not, just repeat with 2 legs. Inhale and push with 1 and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Not touching the floor. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, inhale. Exhale. With right leg up, push. 10, 9, higher, not touching the floor. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, raise up your, stand up. From here, simple core, legs together, arms together. Just hold this shape. Try to keep a low back straight, upper body look forward. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from here we are lowering and back up. Lowering and back up. Let's work 20 times. Inhale. Work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms closer to your body. Inhale first. Drive up your hip as high as possible. Feel that stretch in your upper body and hold this. 10, 9, hold 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Okay, we are done for today. Let's do quick stretches always in the end. First, right arm drive towards the left side and left lengthening forward. Hold the shape. Nice and easy stretch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse side. Left. Right arm forward. And breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly back up. Okay. Nice and easy workout. Suitable for almost everyone. If you like are stiff, you can just do how you can or skip some moves. If you are weak, you can do less reps. But I think if you really want, you will find a way. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.